quality American-made above-ground pool can last 10 to 20 years, if not more depending on the conditions. You want to make sure your deck will last just as long without all the common issues associated with some decking options. When we say hardwood, we are talking about some of the hardest, most durable woods on Earth, and they are harder, more durable, and cheaper than teak. The decking species we recommend for above-ground pool decks are Ipe, Kumaru, Tigerwood, Garapa, and Masaranduba. These South American hardwoods are sustainably harvested and have proven to last up to 75 years with very low maintenance. They are also naturally resistant to rot, decay, mold, mildew, splinters. They have a Class A rating against flame spread. They are resistant to wood-boring insects. They are naturally slip resistant and are not hot to walk on barefoot. All of these qualities make them excellent around pools. The only maintenance that's required is cleaning the dirt and debris off the surface, which is required by all decking manufacturers. Pollen, dirt, leaves, rain, and other debris will land on all decks, so a light power washing is a good idea when needed. The only other maintenance that many homeowners choose to do is oiling the wood, usually once a year. UV rays from the sun will bleach the color out of the wood and turn it gray. Some homeowners like the gray look, so they don't have to do anything other than an occasional cleaning. Oiling will keep the beautiful color of the wood and enhance the natural grain. Once you see the beauty of these woods, most homeowners want to maintain that look. Oiling hardwoods is incredibly easy. Simply roll on the oil with a paint roller. After that, you wipe up any that did not soak into the wood. These woods are so dense they will only absorb so much oil. It will eventually fade away, usually around springtime the following year. If you're looking to build a beautiful, long-lasting pool deck, check out AdvantageLumber.com to see our factory direct pricing. We ship our decking directly to your home or job site worldwide.